Dear children, good morning to you all. In the previous class, you have learnt about the magnetic effect of electric current. Let us have a small recap. What is called the magnetic field? The area around the wire where the magnetic influence is felt is called the magnetic field. What is the solenoid? A solenoid is a long cylindrical coil of wire that acts like a magnet when current is flowing through it. What are the factors that affect the strength of the magnetic effect of a solenoid? First one, the current flowing through the solenoid. Second, the number of turns of the coil of the solenoid. Third one, the material that the wire is made of. Let us study about the electromagnets. What are the two types of magnets? Natural magnets and artificial magnets. Natural magnets are made up of magnetite and are found in nature. But artificial magnets are prepared using various processes and with the help of iron. Examples of artificial magnets include bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, U-shaped magnet, horseshoe magnet, circular magnet and ring magnet. What is an electromagnet? A coil of wire wound around a magnetic core which acts as a magnet as long as an electric current flows through the coil is called an electromagnet. This image shows a simple electromagnet. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. Let us do an activity to make an electromagnet. Materials required: long iron nail, dry cell, copper wire and steel pins. First, wind a length of insulated copper wire around a long iron nail. Connect the ends of the wire to a dry cell. Close the circuit and bring steel pins near the nail. What do you observe? Yes, the pin is attracted to the nail when the circuit is closed. Open the circuit and see what happens. Yes, when the circuit is opened, the pin falls off. This shows that the iron nail becomes an electromagnet when current is flowing through the wire and loses its magnetic ability when the flow of current through the circuit is interrupted. The following properties of electromagnets make them very useful. First one, the strength of an electromagnet can be changed by changing the amount of current flowing through the coil. When we increase the current flowing through the coil, the strength of the magnet also increases. Second one, electromagnets are temporary magnets and lose their magnetic ability as soon as the current is switched off. Third one, electromagnets can be of different shapes and sizes depending on their purposes. Now, you are going to study about the uses of electromagnets. Electromagnets are used in many appliances. First one, in electrical appliances. Electromagnets are used in appliances such as electric bells, hard disk drives, speakers, earphones, induction stoves, motors, generators, cell phones, computers, magnetic resonance imaging machines, in hospitals, etc. Second one, to separate metals. Electromagnets are used to separate iron and steel from other materials in scrap yards. This helps us to separate reusable metal from other solid waste materials. Third one, to lift heavy objects. Electromagnets are used in cranes that are used to lift and carry heavy steel and cast iron articles in factories. Last one, the electric bell. What is the electric bell? The electric bell is a simple device that uses an electromagnet to make sound. It is used as a doorbell in homes. Let us revise the topic. What is an electromagnet? A coil of wire wound around a magnetic core which acts as a magnet as long as an electric current flows through the coil is called an electromagnet. What are the uses of electromagnets? Electromagnets are used in many appliances. First one, in electrical appliances. Second, to separate metals. Third one, to lift heavy objects. What is the electric bell? The electric bell is a simple device that uses an electromagnet to make sound. It is used as a doorbell in homes. The electric bell has a soft iron bar that is attached to a hammer through a spring. The iron bar is placed in front of an electromagnet. When the circuit is complete, the hammer hits the gong and makes a sound. The circuit is connected to the mains or to a battery through a switch. The electromagnet in an electric bell will create a magnetic field that attracts the iron clapper towards it. The clapper strikes the gong. The current stops flowing through the circuit. This causes the electromagnets to lose its magnetic field. Electromagnets have many practical applications. The electric bell uses an electromagnet. Thank you.